Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best carpenter knife is probably one of the most essential tools in any carpenter's arsenal, a true workhorse designed for precision, durability, and versatility, capable of handling a wide array of tasks from rough shaping and stripping wood to intricate detailing and scoring materials, making it an indispensable companion for both seasoned professionals and DIY enthusiasts looking to achieve clean cuts and efficient results in their woodworking projects, ensuring every detail is meticulously crafted. Number 5. 17-in-1 Multitool Knife. Discover the ultimate all-in-one tool. This versatile knife packs 17 essential functions into a single, easy-to-carry package. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, it's designed to withstand the rigors of any adventure. Its rust and corrosion-resistant coating ensures it lasts. Don't let its size fool you. This portable tool is perfect for cutting, screwing, starting fires, and so much more, fitting easily into your pocket. Experience comfort and control with its human-engineered, non-slip handle. It's designed for safe and easy one-handed operation. Surprise the outdoor enthusiast in your life with this essential survival tool. It's the ideal gift for any occasion, presented in a ready-to-give box. What we like. This multi-tool is packed with 17 different functions, from basic cutting to fire starting and window breaking. Its superior stainless steel construction ensures durability for any outdoor adventure. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, or someone who values preparedness for survival situations, this is the ultimate companion for your everyday carry. What people say. The build quality is outstanding, it feels substantial, well made. All tools lock in place solid. Bit holder is great. Gives good reach like using an actual screwdriver. Costretto veramente bene, con materiali all'apparenza più che ottimi. Anche gli accessori in dotazione sono tutti quanti estremamente utili e funzionali. Number 4. IRWIN Linoleum Knife 177-4108. Introducing the IRWIN Linoleum Knife, designed for efficient linoleum cutting. Its robust hardwood handle ensures lasting durability for all your projects. Crafted with a solid hardwood handle, this tool is built to withstand demanding use. Experience a comfortable and secure grip every time you work. The uniquely curved blade is engineered for optimal cutting performance on the pull stroke. This feature allows for precise and clean cuts with ease. Achieve smooth and accurate cuts on linoleum surfaces. Its design makes it ideal for various crafting and installation tasks. With its thoughtful design and quality materials, this knife offers reliable performance. It's an essential tool for anyone working with linoleum. What we like. This knife is designed with a specialized curved blade for efficient linoleum cutting. The durable hardwood handle offers a comfortable and sturdy grip for precise work. If you're a flooring installer or a DIYer working with linoleum, this tool will make your cuts clean and effortless. What people say. Well built, sharp, and working great. This thing works great for winter shutdown of sprinkler system. Make spring sprinkler turn on a breeze instead of the hide-and-seek crap of the sprinklers that had grass grow over them during winter. Sturdier than a razor box cutter. Cuts out grout, ceiling, tub caulk, or any garden usage. Tool will last forever. Number 3. Internet's Best Premium Utility Knife Set. Introducing the Internet's Best Premium Utility Knife Set. This set is designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks, offering reliability and comfort with its durable metal body and rubber handle. Each knife features an adjustable retractable blade for precise cutting. The blade can be safely retracted into the metal frame after use, providing added convenience for any task. Blade replacements are simple with our quick change mechanism. Extend the blade, press the red button, and swap in a new one for swift changes, keeping you ready for anything. Never run out of blades with the included refill pouch. It contains 5 additional blades, ensuring long-term use and convenience, so you're always prepared. These knives are perfect for various uses, including cutting cardboard, carpet, and plastic. They are ideal as box openers, carpet knives, and package openers. The set includes 2 utility knives and a refill pouch with 5 extra blades. Experience the best in cutting tools with this comprehensive set. What we like. This set offers a reliable and comfortable cutting experience with its retractable blade and ergonomic rubber handle. The quick change mechanism and included extra blades ensure you're always ready for the task. If you frequently cut cardboard, carpet, or plastic for work or home projects, this set provides convenience and long-lasting value. What people say. The blade is made of high-carbon steel, which holds an edge very well. It has a comfortable, non-slip grip that makes it easy to control. The included sheath is sturdy and keeps the blade protected. Number 2. DEWALT DWHT10035L Folding Retractable Utility Knife. Introducing the DEWALT DWHT10035L Folding Retractable Utility Knife. This versatile tool is designed for your everyday cutting needs. Crafted with quality in mind, it's a reliable addition to your toolkit. Its robust construction ensures it can handle demanding tasks. Designed for portability, this knife folds neatly for easy storage and transport. Its compact size makes it a perfect companion for any job. Featuring a sharp blade, it offers precise cuts for various materials. The blade length is optimized for efficiency and control. The handle is designed for a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Its length provides leverage for better performance. Whether for professional use or DIY projects, this tool is engineered to perform. It's an essential item for any hand tool collection. What we like. This utility knife features a convenient folding design for portability and a retractable blade for safety. It's built with the quality you expect from DEWALT. If you need a compact and reliable cutting tool for on-the-go tasks or general use, this folding retractable knife is a solid choice. What people say. The knife works smoothly and has been comfortable to carry in the front pocket of my Levi's while clipped to the outside of the pocket. The best feature of this knife, for how I currently use it in the warehouse I work in, is the first blade setting. It gives you just the tip of the blade to cut tape on sealed boxes. It folds up when not in use and has a clip for easy carry on your trousers or a belt. There is storage for 3 blades not including the blade in use. Number 1. DEWALT DWHT10295 Premium Utility Knife. Introducing the DEWALT DWHT10295 Premium Utility Knife. It offers the robust blade security of a fixed knife combined with the everyday convenience of a retractable design. You no longer have to choose between safety and ease of use. This tool provides the best of both worlds for your cutting tasks. Changing the blade is incredibly simple. Just press a button, and you can swap it out in seconds, minimizing downtime. This is the DEWALT Premium Retractable Knife, designed for professionals who demand reliability. Its performance is matched by its user-friendly features. Experience a comfortable and secure grip with its ergonomic design. This ensures better control and reduces fatigue during extended use. What we like. This premium retractable knife offers the blade security of a fixed knife with the ease of a retractable one. Changing blades is a breeze with its simple button mechanism, and the comfortable grip enhances control. If you prioritize safety and quick adjustments for your cutting tasks, this knife provides both security and convenience. What people say. The build quality feels solid and durable. The design is practical, intuitive, and easy to use. It has a spare blade compartment which is handy and a hook to hang it on your belt or tool pouch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.